Hey, second grade. It is that time again. We get to jump back into athletics, into our math club, and we get to do a fun little scrimmage. So remember, with math club, it is fun. It is meant to be fun. It is just practice for us, seeing numbers, getting excited on learning how to use them. And remember, it's not graded, it's just for fun. And we're just practicing together. Okay, so there's no wrong answer. So today we're going to do another fun scrimmage, which means we get to log in to athletics. So here we are on your tile page. You are going to go to the very first tile. So not this one, even though it says math club, we're not going to go to that one. We're going to click into athletics here. Okay, and then once we're in athletics, you are going to scroll down. Take your little cursor, scroll yourself down until you see grade 2. That is you, grade 2. Click in there. So now you are a student. You're going to click into student and you might remember this login page. So in the instructions below, you're going to see your login information. So it's going to be a number before the first initial of your name and your last name. You're going to need to scroll down to find your login information, and some of them are misspelled. I wasn't the one who set it up, and so I know that there's the misspellings for some of our last names, but just go ahead and use what you see on that list. That is going to get you right in here. So I'm actually using Isla's login today. So I'm just going to type it in 220 and then first letter of her first name and then last name. And then everyone's password is the same, and it is just password, PASSWORD. And we will sign in. So now I'm not going to click any further than this. This should look a little familiar from last time for you, but you're going to go ahead and take the test. So I won't click in and start Isla's test for her, but click in. Again, remember, it's fun. We are not going to know a lot of these things. This is just to get us used to seeing numbers, getting excited about seeing those numbers, and just working our brain, waking it up a little bit, and getting comfortable taking tests like this online. So again, no pressure on you. You won't be graded on this test at all. It's just for fun. So click in here. You're going to see a handful of questions. I think it's about 50 questions. You do not have to do all of them right in this sitting. Do some. Do 15, maybe 10, 15. Get up, go do something else, and then come back to it. All right, so we're going to do this today and tomorrow. And if need be, we can stretch it out and do that on Friday as well. But let's aim to have this done today and tomorrow. Thank you guys. Let me know if you have any questions with the login process or anything at all. Again, take this test. And when you do log back in, if you do click out and take that break, it'll bring you right back to where you left off. Alrighty, enjoy yourself. Have fun. Don't take this too seriously. Just see those numbers. Pick the best guess. Pick your best choice if you don't know. Awesome. You have a great day. Bye.